Welcome back, and now for the news in detail. Latin America still continues to be the epicenter of COVID-19 as Brazil recorded 1,141 deaths and Mexico reported 736 overnight. The Brazilian health ministry says more than 39,000 new cases were recorded in the past 24 hours. Globally, the death toll has exceeded 488,000, while the cases have crossed 9.5 million. More in this report.
The coronavirus pandemic has been raging in LATAM as the region reported the highest number of daily deaths and cases. Mexico pushed past 25,000 deaths and 200,000 confirmed cases, while in the US, the death toll has crossed 154,000 with nearly 40,000 cases reported overnight. The governor of Arizona urged the state's residents to wear masks but stopped short of issuing any new order.
Our time of getting hit is right now. June, July, and August. I don't necessarily like to put these terms on what's happening here, but these are common terms that are being used around the country. This is Arizona's first wave, and this will not be our last wave.
The death toll in Africa has crossed 8,800 with more than 337,000 infections. Meanwhile, the chief of the World Health Organization says the pandemic is subsiding in Europe but getting worse globally.
The situation in Europe has improved. Globally, it's still getting worse. In the first month of this outbreak, less than 10,000 cases were reported to WHO. In the last month, almost 4 million cases have been reported. We expect to reach a total of 10 million cases and 500,000 deaths within the next week.
Elsewhere, China has recorded a further decline in new cases with 13 infections in the past day. 11 were reported in Beijing, where mass testing has been carried out following an outbreak that appears to have been largely brought under control.